We've talked before about some of the projects you might need to get a building permit for: construction, renovation, and demolition, and more. But how do you actually apply for the building permit is what we're going over today. I'm Ryan with Blue Coast Realty, and today we're looking at how to apply for a building permit. The first step is application. Depending on the job, property owners or a contractor or a designer can apply for building permits. There are two places you can apply here in Ontario. The first is through your local municipality, and the second is through the Ministry of Municipal Affairs and Housing website. Say you're planning to build a structure. You're going to submit any drawings, property surveys, or site plans, or other relevant documents to the municipality or to the ministry, and you can expect to pay some fees for processing that application. The second step is where the municipality reviews all the info you've presented to them. They will be looking at the important details like whether the project meets building code requirements with regards to mechanical and structural stability, zoning bylaws in the area, and any other regulations. Once your application is submitted, they consider many variables to help them decide whether to permit or refuse the application. And they'll have a 10-day time frame to do so. If you've been approved, then you're on to step 3, where you are given the building permit. This is usually when you pay your fees as well. This permit will include details such as the start and end date of the project, a list of materials to be used, any inspection requirements, and any other information that was included in that application. Once you've received your approval, you or the contractor begin work according to the plan submitted with your permit application. It's important that you adhere to all of the requirements listed on that building permit. It is also important that you know you must obtain all necessary permits and inspections before beginning work, as multiple projects may require multiple permits. Failure to do so may result in delays or sometimes fines. And you'll need to remember that permits must be visible on the site, because in the 4th step, inspections get underway. An inspector has to check the project out within 2 days of being notified before work can proceed to the next step. Depending on the scale of the project, inspectors are going to stop by at different stages to make sure the work is being done and follow to the rules and regulations. So that was how to apply for a building permit. A lot of time the contractor looks after getting the permits, but you should always make sure you know who is responsible for doing so. Thanks for watching, and welcome home to the Blue Coast.